Welcome back to Podcast English Family. I am Ava, and today we will learn general spoken English sentences. These are sentences that you can use in daily life. They are very simple and easy to remember. Learning English is fun. When you know simple sentences, you can talk with anyone easily. Today, I will teach you sentences for greetings, asking questions, talking about yourself, shopping, eating, and many other daily activities. Let's start. 1. Greetings and introductions. First, we will learn sentences for greetings. Greeting someone is the first step in talking. Hello. How are you? Hi. Nice to meet you. Good morning. Good afternoon. Good evening. How is your day? How have you been? When someone asks, "How are you?" you can answer in many ways. I am fine, thank you. I am good. How about you? I am a little tired, but okay. I am happy today. If you meet someone for the first time, you can say, "My name is Ava. What is your name? Nice to meet you. Where are you from?" These sentences are easy and very useful every day. 2. Asking questions. Questions are very important in English. They help you get information. Some common questions are, what is your name? Where do you live? How old are you? What do you do for a job? Do you like music? Can you help me? When you ask questions, always be polite. You can use, please tell me. Could you help me? Can you tell me? For example, could you tell me the time, please? Can you help me find the bus station? Using polite sentences makes your English sound very nice. 3. Talking about yourself. Next, let's learn sentences to talk about yourself. I am a student. I work in an office. I like reading books. I enjoy listening to music. I love cooking. I have a brother and a sister. I live in a small city. You can also say your hobbies and interests. My hobby is painting. I like playing football. I love traveling. I enjoy watching movies. Talking about yourself helps people know you better. Always speak slowly and clearly. 4. Talking about daily activities. Daily activities are easy to talk about in English. Here are some simple sentences. I wake up at 7 a.m. I eat breakfast at 8 a.m. I go to school or work at 9 a.m. I study English in the evening. I watch TV at night. I sleep at 10 p.m. You can also ask about other people. What time do you wake up? Do you go to work by bus? What do you do in the evening? These sentences are useful for talking about your routine. 5. Shopping sentences. When you go shopping, these sentences will help you. How much is this? Can I try this on? I like this. I will buy it. Do you have this in another color? Where is the cashier? Can I pay by card? You can also ask for help politely. Excuse me, can you help me? Could you show me this shirt, please? I am looking for shoes. Shopping sentences are easy and people understand them quickly. 6. Eating and ordering food. When you go to a restaurant, cafe, or street food place, use these sentences. I would like a coffee, please. Can I have a sandwich? I want a glass of water. What do you recommend? The food is delicious. Thank you. If you want something specific, you can say, no sugar, please. I am vegetarian. Can I get it to go? These sentences help you eat and order food easily. 7. Talking about feelings. It is important to talk about feelings. Here are simple sentences. I am happy. I am sad. I am excited. I am tired. I am hungry. I am thirsty. I am worried. You can also ask about other people. Are you okay? How do you feel today? Talking about feelings makes conversations more real and friendly. 8. Asking for directions. When you are outside and need help, use these sentences. Excuse me, where is the bus stop? How can I go to the market? Is it far from here? Can you show me on the map? I am lost. Can you help me? These sentences are very useful when you travel. People usually like helping. 9. Saying thank you and sorry. Polite sentences are very important in English. You can say, thank you very much. Thanks a lot. You're welcome. I am sorry. Excuse me. Being polite makes people like you. Always remember to say thank you and sorry when needed. 10. Ending conversations. When you end a conversation, use these sentences. It was nice talking to you. See you later. Goodbye. Have a nice day. Take care. Ending conversations politely is very important in English. Friends, these are some general spoken English sentences. You can use them every day. Practice speaking slowly and clearly. The more you practice, the better you get. Thank you for watching Podcast English family. If you liked this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Comment below which sentences you will use today. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye. Have a great day.